Hello, this is the Algol Plus team, and our regular column, the Q&A about Algol Plus plugins. In this video, we will answer 3 questions about our plugins. Advanced order export. When I try to export modification date, the value for the key is the date with the backslashes. What do I need to do to make the modification date have a single slash? Please, open section JSON and mark Don't Escape slash. Advanced dynamic pricing. I have a problem. When the user chooses a particular attribute, selects a variation, the range should be replaced by particular price for that variation. Visit the page Pricing Rules, Settings Product page, and enable the option Update Price when user changes QTY and Replace Variable Price. I would like to draw your attention that Update Price when user changes QTY and Replace Variable Price features are available in the Pro version of the plugin. Phone orders. There is a field in the Custom Fields section named Available Fields for Product. What it is for and how it is used. It is a way to speed up adding item meta when you click Edit Meta. Just add product fields in the Available Fields for Product in the Custom Fields section. When creating an order, you can edit item meta elements by clicking on the field names. There was the Algol Plus team.